Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing Flesh Eating Zombie. And yeah, I already opened him and filmed the unboxing, but that one went bad. So yeah, let's open him up. Okay, so first, this is not what he looks like open because I already opened him. Here's his pants. We have his shirt and jacket. Here's the hand with the arm in it. It actually is really descriptive. Let's see. We have an arm pole that holds the limb, I think. Then two foam pieces for the legs. There. Then we have, we have the head. So here's his head. It's really detailed. Mine was smushed inside to put newspaper right here. I think I said that in the demo video. But there he is. And then we have the shoes, which are like boots, and they're really detailed. And then what else we have? Here's the instructions. The 4 leg pulls. But then we have the other hand. And now, oh god, we have the shoulder piece. Okay, let me get this out. We have the face. The room back here. And then we have the mechanism, which is pretty big. And it actually has springs on it. And it comes with a sensor. And then the adapter. So yeah, now let me just move the box over here. In time to set him up. Okay, so first we start out with the base. We have the base. Then I'm gonna do the shoes. There. Now these are 2, 3. Okay. Then the other poles. And then these snap lock. There we go. Okay. Now you put on the pants. Holy crap. I broke this already. Okay, now the leg pulls for the foam to make it look more realistic. And the leg pants. The pants. So you just want to go whoops. And there. Okay, there, pants are on, just want to put it over it. Okay, now for the torso and all the frames on it. So it's going to go like this. There, and then snap locked. And then you could put the pants up. And then there we go. There's the pants. Now I believe you put the shirt on. Wait, no, you want to put the the shoulder frame on first. Which this guy is already about 6 foot. I hope he doesn't scrape the roof part. Now let's put on his jacket. And yeah. So if you didn't know, the reason I got him, first of all, because I always wanted him since 2011. He was one of my favorite props. I think he's one of the best zombies ever made by Spirit. I actually got him too because we're going to do Zombie Wasteland theme. Well, that's going to be one of the themes for this year's haunt. And yeah, so that's going to be fun. Oh, then also in August, I actually ordered Freddy Krueger, but it's the 2019 model. I do prefer the older model, because it is way better, but I decided to get the 2019 model or the new one by Jemmy, because it was $50 at Home Depot. It was on sale. So yeah. Okay, so then you want to put the sleeves over like that. So he's coming in August. So there'll be an unboxing for him. Oh God, can you guys see? Hold up. There. Okay. Now let's roll up this sleeve. And okay. Put this there. Now roll down the sleeve. Okay, so he is almost done. Now let's put the hands on. Okay. I'll fix that later. In the demo video, it's going to be fixed. I'm not going to worry about putting the clothes to my liking, because I'm probably just going to put him away right after. And yeah, okay. So there, both the legs, or arms are done. Now, so we got to put the adapter in, then the head, and that's the last part. And then your flesh-eating zombie is done. All you have to do is connect all the wires. So here's the head. It's really detailed. So we're gonna put that on. Okay, it's on. And then yeah, so that's him all set up. Go check out the demo video. It is, I believe, I posted it like 4 days ago. So yeah. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys later. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.